What's going on, guys? Today I thought I'd present to you guys a POV drive of my 2017 Audi R8 here. If you guys ever wanted an immersive video on what it's like to drive this thing, we have a V10 base with the sheepy 800 package right there, 800 horsepower, 300 basically added on top of the factory horsepower amount on this car. We got the titanium X brace by Staso Performance, our sheeps, and then our turbos finished off in white to match the Suzuka gray paint that this car comes in. We have BBS FIR wheels sitting down on there, some Pirelli tires. Let's open up the door and take you guys for a little spin on some of the nice scenic back roads. So we have our nice push to start on the steering wheel. Now I will say, this car is definitely quieter than when I once had a full titanium straight pipe race exhaust on the NA V10, but it's got a whole different transformative tone with the turbo spool sounds that you get, which arguably are a more satisfying and cooler effect to now have output. I don't know how much the camera is gonna pick up when we're driving, but it's definitely something that allowed me to entirely reshape how entertained I am with driving this thing. So let's get on the road. fact that if you hear a little Hennessy Exorcist in the background making some noise, just try and disregard that. There you have it. Full 800 horsepower. That's what you get. Let me know in the comments down below what other cars in their garage, or maybe what other cars in other people's garage you'd like to see a POV drive of. But I figured I'd share this because I happen to have the awesome opportunity for it, and I'd kind of give you guys a little bit of an insight into the full immersive world that is to drive a car like this on roads like these. So thank you all so much for watching. This is gonna be JackUltraMotive signing this POV drive off.